Hello my dear children, welcome to Learner's Planet. Children, in today's session we will study about solid, liquid and gases. Children, you know that water exists in different forms. So children, this is just one form of water. The other forms of water now we are going to study is when water boils, it forms steam. So children, you can see here in this picture that here is a flame and there is some water in the kettle. So when we provide some flame to the water and after getting boiled, the water forms steam. So this is one form of water. The other forms are ice. When water is kept in a freezer, it turns into ice. So children, you can try this at home also. Just take an empty ice tray and pour some water in it and keep it in the freezer. After some time, you will observe that water has turned into ice. So children, this is other form of water. So children, we can say that ice is the solid form of water and steam is the gas form, and the last one is water. Water is the liquid form. So water exists mainly in three forms. Children, now we are going to study about three states of matter. So children, which are the three states of matter? They are solids, liquids and gases. So children, these are the three basic states of matter. And now we are going to study about all these three states of matter in detail. So children, the first state of matter is solids. So children, what are solids? Children, you can see this boy holding a pencil and also a pen. And children, you must be knowing about the compass box. You all must be carrying compass box every day in your school. Yes? We keep pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener and scale in our compass box. So children, what are such things? They are solids. So children, things such as pencil, pen, eraser, sharpener, compass box, toys. These all things have a fixed shape and they do not change their shape when moved to another container. So such objects are called solids. So children, did you get now? This is a picture of sharpener. Sharpener cannot change their shape and they can be moved from one place to another. So children, such objects are solids. Okay children, now we will study about the second type of matter, that is liquids. So children, substances such as water, oil and milk flow easily and take the shape of the container they are poured in. So children, the substances that can take the shape of the container are called liquids. And liquids do not have any fixed shape. Okay children, now we will see the difference between solids and liquids. So children, what are the differences between solids and liquids? Yes, the first difference about solids is that they have a fixed or definite shape. But liquids do not have any definite shape. They take the shape of the container. But solids do not take the shape of the container. The second difference about solids is that they do not flow easily, but liquids flow very easily. As we saw some example about liquids just now. For example, water, oil, milk, they can flow easily. But things such as pencil, pen, eraser do not flow easily. So, children, are you all clear with the differences? Now, we will study about the third state of matter, that is gases. So children, what is actually a gas? Children, water changes into water vapor on heating. So, this water vapor is a gas. A gas has no shape or size of its own. Also children, in nature, the sun heats the water in ponds, lakes and rivers. And this water which is present in the ponds, lakes and rivers changes into water vapor, which is a gas, and this water vapor rises in the air. So, the water vapor which rises in the air is called evaporation. Okay, children? I hope you understand this and you came to know that water vapor is a gas and the water vapor which rises in the air is called evaporation. Okay, children? Now we are going to see some properties of gases. So actually, what are gases? Gases are all around us. How they are around us? For example, air. Air is a mixture of many gases. Air moves from one place to another place, and this moving air is called wind. So children, always remember, like liquids, gases can also flow, but solids cannot flow. Children, now we are going to study about oxygen. So children, oxygen is a very important gas. How is it important for us? Because we breathe in a gas called oxygen. All the living things and the living beings need oxygen. We cannot see oxygen. It is invisible and it is a gas. But we breathe in a gas which is oxygen. So children, oxygen is very, very important gas for human beings and the other living things. Okay, children, now we will study about the change of state. We will study about the change of state of three matters. So children, we will recall this. What were the three states of matter? They were solids, liquids and gases. Now we will see that how they change from one form to the another form. So children, we can see here, this is ice. How does ice forms? Yes, when water freezes, it forms ice. When ice melts, it forms water. And when water evaporates, when we boil it, it forms steam or water vapor. So children, water exists in three forms. Ice is the solid form, water itself is a liquid form and steam or water vapor is the gaseous form. Okay, children? If you hold a lid or a plate above boiling water, the steam touches the lid. Correct? Do you agree? We can see that when the steam touches the lid, the steam then cools down and changes into tiny droplets of water. This way, steam condenses to form water. So children, I hope you are all clear with this. The three states of matter are solid, liquid and gas, and they can change from one state to another state. So children, now we will study about the processes by which the change of state of three matters takes place. So children, we can see the first state of matter which we studied was solid. For example, an ice. An ice converts into water by the process called as melting. So children, solid is a state and ice is the example of solid state. So children, when solid converts into liquid state, it converts by the process known as melting. And when liquid converts into gas, for example, when water converts into steam by boiling or by providing heat, it converts by the process of evaporation. Then children, when gas converts into liquid, it converts by the process of condensation. For example, when steam cools down, it forms water. And last, when liquid converts into solid state again, for example, when water converts into ice, it converts by the process of freezing. Okay, children? So, how many processes are there? There are mainly 4 processes: melting, evaporation, condensation and freezing. Okay, children? So we can see here that all the states can change from one state to another state. I hope, children, you're all clear with these 3 states of matter and you enjoyed learning about water. So children, keep studying. Thank you.